Welcome to my channel. As everybody knows that all body cells need water to function well. It has been recommended 8 glasses of water per day, but it can be changed according to the conditions like physical activity, body weight, breastfeeding, and etc. But when a person drinks excessive amount of water, it may lead to water poison and cells of the brain start to swell and pressure inside the skull increase and it may lead to headache, confusion and drowsiness. Drowsiness means sleepy. But if the pressure increases more, then it leads to brain damage, coma and death. Thank